Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is more exciting and competitive than ever before. With millions of creators vying for attention, standing out from the crowd means more than just hitting record and hoping for the best. Every year, the landscape evolves, and so do the rules of success. If you're just launching your channel or looking to get serious about your YouTube game, let's energize your strategy by spotlighting the 5 biggest mistakes beginners must avoid this year. First up, the most common pitfall: not defining a clear niche. In 2025, the days of variety channels are mostly behind us. YouTube's algorithm and audience behavior both reward creators who focus on a specific area of interest. Trying to appeal to everyone makes it harder to attract and hold a dedicated audience. Instead, zero in on what makes you excited, whether it's tech reviews, vegan cooking, or street fashion. Share your authentic expertise and enthusiasm. Not only does this help you build authority, but it also allows YouTube to better recommend your content to viewers who are likely to subscribe, watch, and engage. So, start with your real passions and let your niche guide your creative direction. Second, don't fall into the trap of obsessing over equipment at the expense of your content. Yes, crisp visuals and clear audio help, but many new creators stall because they think they need a studio setup before they can succeed. In reality, viewers are drawn to the value and personality you deliver more than the camera you use. Start with what you have. Even a smartphone can do wonders these days. Focus on delivering high-value content that educates, entertains, or inspires. As your channel grows, you can invest in better gear, but don't let perfectionism keep you from hitting upload. Remember, your audience is here for you and your ideas, not just your production quality. Third, overlooking the power of engagement is a surefire way to stall your growth. YouTube is a two-way street. Audiences don't just want to watch, they want to connect. Make it a point to reply to comments, ask questions in your videos, and use community posts and polls to spark conversation. Regular interaction not only builds loyalty, but gives you direct insight into what your viewers want to see next. Invite feedback and actually use it to influence your content. When viewers feel heard, they're far more likely to stick around and become part of your growing community. Fourth, ignoring the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, can keep your videos in the shadows. YouTube is the world's second-largest search engine, and discoverability sets successful creators apart. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags by including relevant, trending keywords. Don't forget about thumbnails. An engaging, on-brand thumbnail can be the difference between a scroll by and a click. Analyze what's trending in your niche and craft content that taps into those conversations. The right SEO strategy helps your videos surface in search results and recommended feeds, connecting you with viewers who are already looking for content like yours. Finally, failing to track and learn from your analytics is a missed opportunity. YouTube Studio provides a wealth of data, from watch time to click-through rates to audience demographics. Don't just glance at your view count. Dig deeper to understand what's working and what's not. Which videos keep viewers hooked? What thumbnails drive clicks? When is your audience most active? Use these insights to refine your strategy, post at optimal times, and double down on content that resonates. Consistent analysis and adaptation are the keys to sustained growth in the fast-paced world of 2025. At the end of the day, remember, YouTube success is a journey, not a sprint. By focusing on your niche, prioritizing content value, engaging with your audience, mastering SEO, and learning from your analytics, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving channel. Stay energized, stay authentic, and let your creativity shine, because your best content is always yet to come.